Microsoft Word, commonly referred to as Microsoft Word, is a word processing program developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools. Microsoft Word provides a graphical interface for creating, editing, and formatting documents. It allows users to create various types of documents, including letters, reports, flyers, and more. It supports various fonts, sizes, styles, and formatting options to customize the appearance of text. Microsoft Word offers pre-designed templates for different types of documents. Users can choose a template and customize it to suit their needs, saving time and effort in document creation. Microsoft Word includes a built-in spell checker and grammar correction tool to help identify and fix errors in the text. Microsoft Word supports the creation of tables, charts, and the insertion of images, shapes, and other graphical elements to enhance the visual presentation of the document. Users can customize the page layout, set margins, adjust page orientation, insert headers and footers, and control pagination. Microsoft Word also offers print settings to configure printing options. Microsoft Word seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft Office applications, such as Excel and PowerPoint, allowing users to embed or link data, charts, or slides within a Word document.